Vice Director, Mr. Joel Juarez of Coco Run.
Yes, thank you, Sister. Good afternoon, everyone. So, before I will proceed to the explanation of the race route for the technicalities of the route, I just share to you why, even me right now, I'm so wako na to nga naaday mersiran. Because my mother, before siya namatay, ukaw ang Jesus Ginoo every 3 o'clock early in the morning. Pag wala niya, ako'y napuli. Bisag kung saan ako kakapoy, makamata dyan kung alas 3 sa kaglawan. So, every time, bisag wala ako siya namatay, I always pray, bisag dili sa eksakto 3 o'clock in the morning. Pray dyan ko sa Divine Mercy. And also, before coming in, 3 o'clock na nag-start, ito sa ko sa sakyanan, kay naaman sa kuya ako agad, 3 o'clock in the afternoon and in the dawn. Na ako na wag ko ma-expect na nakaday mercy run. Anyway, so ari sa technically, share lang ko gamay. Hindi man siya by usa. Share lang ko.
Anyway, for the race route, okay, our starting line will be inside at City Dimare, at CDM. Then we'll go outside at SRP, the Cebu South Coastal Road. Then we'll go straight. Medyo hinin mo na runner na. Then we'll go straight up to Mabolo before crossing the Mabolo Church. Then going back, making U-turn, then back. Yes. They will pass the Bayana of SRP. Then ato pa sila sa likod sa garing Gorion Road, which is known as Baksakan before. Then back to inside the CDM. Then they will make their third U-turn. Then back to the finish line. So, layo na. Ako yung tutasan. Anyway, for the runners, yun na kayo na nila. So, for the 12K, just the same, we'll start inside the CPM. Ako lang yung shortcut, same naman siya. But the turning point will be Maritima before going out sa Cebu South Coastal Road. Okay? Ito lang pa pala ito, kasi pamaulan yan. Okay, next please. Yes, for the 6K. Just the same, we'll start at the starting line inside the City Dimare. Their turning point will be Arena in SM Arena before going up to Bayada. Then go straight back. Same at the back. And inside the CDM, then they make their second U-turn, then go straight to the finish line. Alright? For the 3K. Yeah, we just do look the City Dimare, then they'll make one U-turn, then up to the finish line. Yes! Humana nagkataon niya. 1K. Depende. Habol na to. So, basically, mga natulungan. Atong let's start. Atong yung tumong sa 3 o'clock. 3 a.m. So, goal prime will be for the 21K at 2 a.m. The dance will be 3 o'clock in the morning. And then the 12K, 1 hour before the dance start, that's 4 o'clock. Then 4:30 for the 6K, and the 3K will be the 5 o'clock in the morning. So, basically, mawala akong dance start or the Mercy Run. This is the flow of the traffic.
Flow of
Huh? Diba?
venue.
Sorry. This is the venue layout. Activity area layout. So, mauna yung makita po dito sa sulod sa CDM. Nice. Yes, the Sinulog ground in SRP. So, mauna itong round marshals na itong ibang assign. Next, please. So, drop off area. Mauna yan sa atuan ng set up po naman para mapakita itong mga emergency exits where the portalets also put the parking area inside, entrance and exit inside the CDM. Then the ICP, the command post, wherein all the communications, what's happening inside na makahibalo na Hacienda Pita. Okay, next please. Okay, this is for the parking. So, basically, inside the city, maaari ka ng ilang, sa center nila, mga yung pinakadakong na parking area. Then also in the sides of Jericho, probably El Pardo na siya. Ano siya? Jericho na siya karon, mga malaking naman, like Gorion, mga langgam naman eh. Ang sa Pikas, si Groy, asa ka ang kuha na eh. Kabakang pa o sila. Anyway. So, mga na siya, ang atong mga sakong parking plan. Okay, next please. Okay, this is the route operation. So, we have route marshal, lead marshal, hydration marshals, sector head, sweeper team this morning, mo sunod sa pinaka-hinay. Then, deployment team, turnaround team, with the LGO, the CCTO, the SRP traffic, lead motorcycle nasa CCTO traffic, and the PNP, which is more than one. Aside from that, we have also a private medical provider na mo-assist sa atoang DRR. Kasi DRR, automatic masad na sila sa atoang event. So next, please. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Joel Juarez, our race director. He runs Coco Running. Ako lang sa ngay-acknowledge si Miss Kathleen Javier, the owner of KNC, and Sir Diosdado Mabini.
Afternoon everyone. So, ako lang po ang i-mention sa atong race director because I'm the one in charge for the operation. So, atong hydration stations is every 1.5 kilometer distance para hydrate tanan, right? Then, since we are starting at 3 a.m., road closures of the CHCR, particularly the southbound lane from corner Perico up to S. Osmeña corner 1 Luna, road closure at 2 a.m. So 1 hour prior to gun start, that is the starting of the road closure. So we will advise our participants, those who are running at short distance, of course, diligin sila musayo, pero affected sila sa traffic flow. But we will announce it para kung asa sila muagi for their convenience. Alright, so that's all and good afternoon to all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So that's it, no? Naatay mga pangutana sa atong mga panelists karong hapuna, and may I just open or start the ball rolling.